Hey everybody, and welcome back. Today I will be teaching you how to add money on Revolut virtual card. So let's just begin. So what you are going to be doing here is you can see that we have this. You can see if it isn't possible to add your own funds directly inside your virtual card, and this is because once you focus at this part, it says it isn't possible to directly add funds to virtual cards. Instead, the funds will be automatically drawn from your available Revolut accounts. So yeah, if you have your funds inside your Revolut uh, account, only that will be reflected in your virtual card. So this is the key factor to add your funds, and I hope you understand this process and this information saves you a ton of time. If that helps, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.